So guys, I know a lot of us know right now that Grok is no longer free. It's been such a sad news since it happened, I think 2 days ago. But the good news is that there are alternatives out there, because Grok not being free anymore has impacted a lot of us, especially those into storytelling. So because of that, I took it upon myself to actually research which other alternatives are out there, which is why I'm creating this video. So make sure you watch it to the end to find out which particular tool will suit your own needs. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the tutorial. So guys, the first tool we are going to be looking at is called Quenai AI. So all you need to do is to go to chat.quen.ai, and don't forget, all the links to all this platform I'm going to be showing in this particular tutorial is already linked in the description. So feel free to go there and grab them to try it out with me. So this is Quenai AI. As you can see, you have your new chat, your chat community, but where we're concentrating on is this particular part where it says ready when you are. So if you click on this plus button, you can see that you'll be able to do a couple of things, like you'll be able to upload an attachment, do deep research, create an image, create a video, web dev, and all of that. But where we're going to be focusing on is the video. So if I click on this and I click on create a video, I can easily describe any video I want. If you click down here, you can see you have different aspect ratio depending on what you're trying to create. So I'm just going to do something very simple. So I can say something like a realistic video of a Black British woman sitting in a pub holding a glass of wine and says life is good. So something like this, very simple. And then we're just going to prompt this, and then we're just going to wait and see the results. So this is really awesome as a good alternative, especially if you are into storytelling and all of that. This is going to be a good alternative for you when it comes to you looking for an alternative for Grok AI. So guys, it's done generating. Let's have a look and see.
Life is good.
Okay, not too bad. This is nice. We can always retweak the prompt, but yeah, the image looks a bit realistic. The lip sync isn't quite there, but I feel like when we tweak the prompt and all of that, it should be able to give us something nice. So this is really good, and it is absolutely free. So feel free to try it out and let me know. Now we are going to go to our second option, which is Flow. Flow is absolutely amazing. It is created by Google and it is free. Well, not totally free, but a very good alternative to Grok AI. When you are on Flow, if you are coming in for the first time, it is going to give you 150 credits free that you can use to actually create your videos. Creating images on this platform is totally free, while creation of videos, you need 20 credits for each video. And just like Grok, if I click on new project, you can see I can create my videos, I can add attachment and create whatever I want to create. You can see the aspect ratio, and then it's powered by VEO 3.1, which is amazing. I have a detailed video about Flow on my profile, so feel free to check that out. It is the video you would actually made before this particular one. It's a really amazing platform. So we can try out something very simple. We can do something like let's say a gym influencer. Let's say a gym influencer running on a treadmill and says this is amazing. Okay, so let's just put the quotation so it knows what it's saying. So let's say in a British accent, and then okay, let's do a female, and then I want her to be a Black British Okay, yeah, something like this, and then we just prompt. So with this, you can actually use it to also create your images. So if I click on images, you can see it's powered by Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2 Imagine, which is amazing. And creating or generating images on here is absolutely so. Guys, the video is done generating. Let's have a look. So just
this is amazing.
can you see how realistic that looks like, even with how she speaks and everything? If you are into storytelling, this would be amazing. Now, when it comes to using of this, like I said, you only get 50 free credits every day. But what you can do is, if you click on upgrade, you can use an email to actually get 1 month free trial, or get like a subsidized amount if you've already done your 1 month free trial. So you can actually use this, and then it's much more cheaper than actually paying for Grok AI. So depending on what you want to do, but yeah, it is an amazing alternative for Grok AI, especially if you're into storytelling, UGC content, adverts, and all of that. This is amazing for video generation that comes with lip sync. And as you can see, you can actually add your attachment. So if I click on here and I click on this arrow going up, it will take me to my media, where I can then pick any image or video I want to use. So let's say I pick up a particular image I want to use. I can just pick it here and then click on open. It will automatically attach it, and then I can describe exactly what I want that particular character to say. So let me just wait for it to finish uploading, and then we're going to prompt the image to do something or to turn it into a video, so you can see what I'm talking about. This is absolutely amazing, and the fact that it's powered by VU3 alone tells you that it is really worth it. So let's just wait for this to upload. Okay, so it's done uploading now, so I can just say something like, she is talking and says, let's say something like, you really need to try Flow AI. She then stands up and says, it's mind blowing. Okay, something like this, let's say in a British accent, and then you can prompt. So this is absolutely amazing, especially if you want to go into like cinematic videos, like cinematic movies, cinematic adverts, UGC content, talking influencer, talking your AI twin and all of that. This platform is absolutely mind-blowing for that. So we're just going to wait for it to generate, and then I'll show you a couple of other options on there that you can actually use, and then we're going to move on to the next AI tool that I have for us. So guys, it's done generating. Let's have a look at it.
You really need to try Flow AI. It's mind-blowing.
Okay, so not too bad, really good motions and everything, but yeah, this is a really nice alternative to Grok AI. And when you're done, you want to download, just come to this top right hand corner and click on download, and you can see you have options of how you want to download it. And the other things you need to know is that you can actually extend. So instead of doing like short video clips, you can use the extend feature just like you had on Grok AI to actually extend what happens in a video. You have the insert option to add details, remove option to remove, and then different camera angles. So this is really good. So the next platform we are actually going to be looking at is called Meta AI. Meta AI is created by Meta, the owner of Facebook and WhatsApp and Instagram. Yes, Mark Zuckerberg. So this is amazing. The only downside with this particular platform is you can't make your video lip sync. So you can only like create images or create like animations of your videos, and that is just about it. So let's say for instance you come here and then you click on your create video. You can then describe what you want. So we can say a realistic video of a woman sitting in a lounge, let's say drinking wine, something like this, and then you can click on animate. So it's very easy like that to do, and it also has option for where you can actually add attachments and all of that. So yeah, it's a really good platform. Also, if you're into just like stories that has to do with narration, then this is a very good alternative, because it is unlimited generation. So guys, you can see all the options with different styles, because I didn't specify which particular style I wanted. So guys, take a look at this. Isn't this amazing? So you can see it also has the extend feature. You can easily just add music and then do other stuff. You can easily restyle, change how you want it to look. So yeah, it has a lot of nice touches to it, and then it also gives you options. So if you are just doing like your animating of your images and then putting your narration in the background, then yes, Meta AI is absolutely for you. Now, the final platform we're going to be looking at is called One AI. So for One AI, you have option to create your videos, your images, and all of that. So take for instance, if you come over here, you can see you have video, you have image, you have avatar, depending on what you want to create. So for instance, if I click on the video and then I put my prompt, you can add your frame, as you can see. So if you click on frame, you can click upload from device. It is then going to take you where you can pick an image. So I'm just going to pick one, just so we see how it actually works. Over here you can see you have options of how many seconds. You can see if you're doing 5 seconds is absolutely free, if you're doing 720p is absolutely free, and then when you're done you can see to generate is 0. So I'll just click on this, and then we're going to wait for it generate. So this is really nice. The only downside is it is a bit slow when it comes to actual generation of the videos, because we are not paying. But if you're on the paid one, yeah, it's definitely fast. So we're just going to wait for this to finish generating. But yeah, these are my options. So number one, we have Quenai AI, then we have Flow, we have Meta AI, and then finally we have One. All the links are in the descriptions for you to check out. If you have other alternatives out there that I didn't mention here, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you have any questions for me, I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comments as well. So let's just wait for this to generate, and then I'm going to show you guys what it gave us. So guys, it is done generating. Just take a look at this. See, absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, under the options over here, you can see you can extend, you can send to project, you can do a couple of things on it. And if you want to download, just come to this top right hand corner and then you just download. So very nice and easy, straightforward. You can also make her say things and all of that here on One. So it's really nice. Another thing again is it also gives you free 10 credits every day when you log in. So absolutely nice. These are other ones that I generated before. So yeah, really nice. If you're into animation and stuff like that, this is so good. So let me know what you feel in the comments about all these alternatives, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.